Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Mabuhay Manila. Let's start with something.
Yes, please. We'll have a bottle for finding champagne.
Champagne, you're spoiling us tonight, aren't you?
Well, it's a special occasion. The friend laugh and reminisce about past memories as they eagerly await the champagne. The waiter returns with the champagne, pouring it into their glasses before leaving.
Here's to Eden's Emily. 5 years of love and happiness.
Thank you, everyone. We couldn't have reached this milestone without your love and support. Sorry, Tan. Where are you going to pop the hood? The group laughed as Ethan blushes slightly.
What's getting into you, Ethan? You seem a little nervous tonight.
Oh, nothing. Just excited to celebrate with all of you. The one of their friends, let's call him Friend 3, walks in a bit late but excited to join the celebration.
Sorry, I'm late. Happy anniversary, Ethan and Emily.
No worries. We're just glad you could make it.
Their late friends arrives, joining the group and adding to the laughter and camaraderie as they continue to enjoy their dinner. As they clink their champagne glasses together, the scenes fade out, leaving the group lost in their own world of love and friendship.